I'm about to teach you something absolutely mind-blowing. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new platform that will pay you $2 an hour to watch short videos on the internet. Most of us watch TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Reels and that anyway. So why not use that opportunity to get paid from it? Now, I will be honest, I don't usually like making these types of videos. I prefer more sustainable models, such as prop firm trading, affiliate marketing, mass scale content creation tutorials, models that will make you thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, what I'm going to teach you in today's video is not going to pay necessarily near that. The possibility is there, but I'm going to break down some of the proof. Other people that are doing this, as I like to show in all of my videos or most of my videos, is proof of other people doing this and myself doing this as well. And I'm going to break down a page for you of people that are earning from this live right now. This is one of those strategies that's going to pay a really easy side hustle income online. It's not going to be something that's fully sustainable to pay for your car, your houses, etc. And I don't actually know why I didn't think of this strategy earlier, but that's why I'm making it today. And I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. And the best part is you can do this from anywhere in the world. As I said, most of us watch videos anyway. Therefore, let's start off this video by going over some of the proof and the results, and then exactly how you can do this. Right over here are 6 people that got paid this morning, 31st of May, 2024. And the biggest payout was $76. 1 or 2 people earning under $10, and then $11.53. As you can see, sometimes this actually pays really well. If I go over to some of the payouts from yesterday's largest payout, which was at 5:57 p.m. on the 30th, was $95 for the day. I would say the average person on the site earns anywhere between $10 and $15 in a day. So let's start off on how you can get started making money like this, watching these videos online. Step number 1 is we need to go and find viral video ideas. The reason that we need to do this is because we don't want videos that are getting hardly any views, because those videos are not going to pay anything. We want to go where the attention goes. Where the attention goes is where the money goes. And that is how we're going to make money watching these viral video ideas. But how exactly do we find them? Well, we're going to use a tool called vidIQ, which is a Chrome extension tool at vidiq.com. It's a completely free tool. You don't need to sign up to any paid package. You can use the free version. On the menu bar of their website, click on extension. It's going to take you to a page where you can go and click on this big purple button that says install Chrome extension. And this is exactly how it works. Once you've installed that vidIQ Chrome extension, click on the top right hand side. You will see a little menu bar with the vidIQ logo, which will then open up a tab that looks like this. There will be an option most viewed. And what this tool does is it hands you all of the most viewed videos in various different niches on YouTube to you on a silver platter, making it so simple to find viral video and topic ideas. So we can go and click on most viewed over here, and it's going to open up a tab that looks just like this. The videos on top of this page are amongst the videos that are getting the most views per hour on YouTube. So this top video over here is one of the most trending videos on YouTube right now in the past 7 days, getting 144,000 views every single hour. Now, there's 2 ways that we can sort this. We can sort this by views per hour, and these are the type of videos that we want to be using. So for example, this top video over here by this YouTube channel on how I did this trick, so it's obviously got to do with some kind of magic trick or whatever it's about. We can go and use this video, go and watch it, and use the second tool that we spoke about in the beginning of this video, where we showed how people are making money from this, to make money by us watching this video and also other people watching this video. Click on this video and open it up in a new tab. You want to go and copy the YouTube URL of this particular video on the browser tab of your browser, come back to a standard Google document page, and you can go and save this link over here. I'm just going to use the same document page that I used for the introduction of today's video, and I'm going to leave this over here for now. The next step is to go and download the thumbnail of this video. Copy this YouTube URL, come over to a website called thumbnailsave.com. Click on enter, and it's going to take you to a page where we can go and paste this URL and go and view the thumbnail of this URL in a JPEG format. So over here you can see this is pretty much exactly what we're looking for. Right click, save this image, and we can go and save this onto our PC. Before we continue, if you guys want to get my latest videos and updates every single time I upload my latest tutorial, make sure that you subscribe down below to the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel with the notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message to your phone every time I upload a brand new video. As of next week, I'm going to be launching a giveaway in every video every single day again so that you guys can get as much as value as possible from my YouTube channel. My entire YouTube channel is about education, teaching online income skills, high income skills, and most of the stuff that universities and schools don't teach you. I also have a second YouTube channel that focuses primarily on prop firm trading and how you can trade with hundreds of thousands of dollars without even having any capital yourself. I will leave a link down below to my second YouTube channel as well. But without further ado, let's continue with this video. Now that we've downloaded this thumbnail, come over to Canva.com. It's a free graphic design tool that is used by over 100 million users every single month. I use this tool every single day. On the homepage of Canva, click on the Instagram story template, which will give you a blank template in this portrait format. Click on uploads, click on upload files, and go and upload that same thumbnail that we just saved from that viral video. Click on it. We can then stretch this out to fill the screen so that it looks just like this. The goal of this is to put the subject of the thumbnail as the focus for this portrait format thumbnail. Click on the Elements tab and go and search play button. Click on enter and we can go and choose any one of these. I'm going to just, for the purpose of this video, go and choose this black one over here, making this look like a playable video. But obviously when people try to click on this, it's not exactly going to play the video immediately. It's going to take them through a link where they can then play this video. But now every time someone clicks on this link, you're going to earn a certain amount of money. I'll explain this to you in just a second. Secondly, come back to that YouTube video. We can then go and copy the title of this video, come back to Canva.com. On your template, click on text, click on add a heading, and go and paste this as a heading. We can just go and decrease the size of this text just because it's a little bit large. Just like that. Go and make the text white in color just so that we can see it. And what you can also do is you can click on effects and we can add a background border to this text just to make it stand out a lot better. Again, click on effects and click on the neon glow and we can go and change the color of this neon glow to like a bright red color just so that it stands out. We can also increase the glow by still clicking on effects and increase its intensity. I think that's more than fine. We can increase the size of it and centerize that to the middle again. And again, click on this text, click on Control-C or right-click, click on copy, and then right-click, click paste, and it will duplicate this text. At the bottom of this text, type here, click here to watch. I can make this a little bit smaller, stretch that out into one line. And again, let's just quickly go and change those effects to red. Just like that. The next step is to click on share on the top right hand side, download and download this as a PNG file type, which is an image type. Click on download and this is the platform that we're now going to start making money from this. Come over to Pinterest and all you want to do is repost these thumbnails of these already viral videos on YouTube onto Pinterest as pins, just like the way that we've created on Canva.com. Once you've opened up Pinterest, you'll be able to sign in with your account. I've already signed into my account. Click on the Business Hub on the top left-hand side or the menu bar on the top left. Under Create, click on Create Pin under the Organic section. Click on Choose a File and go and upload that same picture that we just created on Canva.com. For the title, simple, just come over to the YouTube video and go and copy this title. Paste this over here. If there's anything in the description, you want to type the following: full viral video. Under your link, we're going to get to that in a second. Come over to shrinkme.io. On the homepage, you will see this is a website where you can shorten URLs, and every time someone clicks on that URL, 1 or 2 ads will pop up. They will need to wait 15 seconds, kind of like a non-skippable ad on YouTube. And once they pass through that link to the full video, you're going to get paid a certain amount of money, and you will get paid up to $220 per 10,000 views. So as you can pretty much tell, you're going to get paid every single time somebody clicks on this video. And because these videos are already viral trending videos, there's a very good chance that this particular post could take off. So simply click on register on the top right hand side. It's also completely free. I'm going to sign in with my existing account. Once you've signed in, it should now say dashboard on the menu bar. And right over here, we'll be going to shorten our URL, come back to the viral video on YouTube, copy the link from this video and come back to shrink.me.io, paste your link over here and click on send. It's then going to give you the shortened URL over here. So when somebody clicks on this URL, it's going to take them to an ads page where they will need to complete a captcha and watch an unskippable ad for about 15 seconds. And once that's done, they can then click on through to the YouTube link. Now, every time somebody does that, you're going to get paid money online. So we're then going to come back to Pinterest, paste our link over here. We can also paste it in the description. And then we can also just mention in the description credit to this YouTube channel, which is called Wian on YouTube for the video. Before we paste our Shrink Me link in the link section over here, you will see if I paste this, it's going to tell me we block this link because it may lead to spam. In order to avoid this, come over to a website called bitly.com, click on enter, and again, we can shorten this URL into a neaten URL. So paste your long URL over here, click on sign up and get your link, sign in with your account to your Bitly dashboard, click on create new on the top left-hand side, select link, paste your destination URL, which is the Shrink Me URL. And for the custom back half of this URL, type here viral trick video. Click on create and then copy your Bitly link, come back to Pinterest and paste this Bitly link over here. And as you can see, it's now a valid clickable link. For the board, we can go and create a new board. Let's just go and type viral YouTube videos and ideas. Click on create. You can then go and publish this pin. Now let's go and calculate more or less what you could potentially earn from this. So if I come over back to shrink.me.io and I click on payout rates, take a look at this. The minimum payout that you need is $5. And here's your earnings per 1,000 views. So this is what it's currently paying per country. In Greenland, $22 per 1,000 views, which is absolutely crazy. So what you could go and do is you could go and run ads in Greenland on your specific post to get the highest payout possible. United States and Ireland also paying the second and third highest. So you could specifically go and run ads in those specific countries to get much higher payouts and click-through rates from those high-paying countries on your URL on Pinterest. But let's work this out. Let's say your pin gets a total of 2,000 clicks over the period of a couple of days. So 2,000 clicks. And let's say on average between all of the countries, we average it out to about $6.50 or $7 CPM, which will then average out to a total of about $14 on the specific pin, which yes, is not a lot of money, but it's so easy since Pinterest is literally doing the work for you and you're just piggybacking already viral videos and you don't even have to do any effort yourself. Let's say one pin absolutely takes off and goes to 100,000 views. We can then take $7, multiply this by 100, which is now $700 on 100,000 views. And who knows, maybe one takes off to $1 million in the future, but once you start to accumulate those views, the more and more you're going to start getting paid. If you guys want to do what I do full-time off of YouTube, which is trading with companies' capital with hundreds of thousands of dollars, making a percentage return on those accounts every single month, and I will teach you for free how you can go and trade those accounts profitably. All those courses are on my second YouTube channel. I will leave a video right over here for you guys. Without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.